Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to adjust brightness or lighting in Filmora. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically all you need to do now is to open your projects in Filmora, and you will be able to do that from by going to File menu and then go to New Projects and create a new project, or you can open your existing projects. Then you will be needing, of course, like to have some media into your timeline. You can like simply drag and drop your media either from computer, or you can even use the stock media that is provided by Filmora. So now all you will be needing to do is to start adjusting the properties of any object or any footage in your timeline by going to the property menu. So here, I'm just going to click on this video, or you can click on any video that you would like. Now, to change the lightning, you will be needing like just to go to the color property or the color menu. So basically, already you can have like some presets that you can use, and or you can have some stuff or some customized settings. So basically here we have the light, and from now you can, for example, add exposure, have brightness, and basically you can play with the lighting however you'd like either with the highlights, also add contrast, etc. Just the basic settings. Otherwise, you can like just go to the hue, saturation, and luminance. And basically, you can go to any color. And since I have like just the blue and purple colors, you can go to any specific color and start like changing its own hue. And from here, I can like change the brightness or luminance of this color. And you can also use the curves. So basically here you will have like the brightness of the color, and you can choose the hues, for example, like any color green and the RGB colors, and you can do whatever you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.